Dang it. It's so snowy outside. You think that's the worst we're getting now? Um, no, it is gonna get harder. No, this is definitely not the worst. This is only the beginning of what's happening today. This is just flurries compared to what we even had yesterday. Yesterday's snow's still on the ground. Oh, oh, 2 days of snow in a row. So how would it get worse than this? I mean, look at this. Oh, it's already getting on the roads again. And believe me, why, if you think this is bad, later today, it's gonna get much, much worse. That can't be good. Come on, weather's on. So how's it gonna get worse? You'll see. Not seen anything. Just watch. Get closer. Oh. Yeah, pretty good to you, Kinda like another Juno, but this one's gonna be different. Starting midday instead of overnight. You remember Juno, right? Winter Storm Juno? Oh yeah, I remember that one. This was the worst storm ever. That was the worst storm since the 1900s. Again, probably 1980 something. Yeah, 19 something was the worst storm ever. Until Juno came along. Now the worst storm ever is in 2015. And in 1980 something. I think it was 1985. Well, yeah. It's kind of like a second born Juno, but this one's completely different because it's starting in midday and it's in 2017, not 2015. Happening 2 years later. Well, you remember Juno developed overnight. And, it has peak on the morning. We got almost an entire week off of school. Oh, that song is pretty cool. You have to admit. You have to admit. Because I'm surprised from all that snow, damaging winds, tanners. Oh my goodness. Yeah, from all that, it was unbelievable we didn't lose our power on that. So, you know what I say, Wario? Best to be prepared today. Best to be safe than sorry. So, we gotta take steps for procedure and safety. Alright, starting now. Okay, so what are we supposed to do to take steps for this procedure safety stuff? Well, to look out the window. You don't see it snowing hard right now, You should think the light snow is an advantage to prepare before it starts getting heavy. So we should do stuff outside. Well, what is there to do? Shovel? Because then we'd have to wait till after. Because we know it's just going to have an effect of more snow. Of course I don't need shovel snow. I would have shoveled it yesterday, but I was a little lazy. My goodness, look at... Whoa. This powder today's already covered our streets. Oh, wow. Well, it's just light snow, so... It's probably been going on for an hour at least, so that's probably why it's accumulated on the streets. Because I thought all the streets had cleared up yesterday after yesterday's snowfall. I'm surprised. Very surprised. Well, how am I supposed to know what to do? I think I know what to do. What? I don't know. Oh, so you don't know either. How am I supposed to know? I haven't had time to think. Just think before it starts. Think before it gets heavy. Please, Mike. Well, there is one step I know what to do right now. What? Oh. What's that? We need to get flashlights ready in every room. We also need to set up emergency lights. We need to make sure the heat is kind of cranked up. You can't use solar heaters because there's not going to be any sun. But well, yeah. Also, I best recommend charging our phones, all devices that would be usable, because the power has a chance of going out in these strong blizzards. They didn't say why else are possible last night. Yeah. And in our area, we're getting just about the second strongest wind. Because they can't be used against most wind. Huh. What are you looking at? Some airport thing. You're probably not gonna know what's about. Yeah, I can't them out. Anyways, I think right now, it's start preparing. We'll meet the viewers in an hour. Okay, so, what is the first step out of every single step? First step is for you to go do the dishes. I'll probably explain to you later, and I'll explain to Buster right now. But, well, for now, just do the dishes. Fine. Alright, Buster. Come with me. Alright, come on. Buster. What are we doing, Frank? Alright, you'll see. Get down here. Alright. See how you just flung yourself out of your pocket? I did too. Since we could lose our power, first step is to charge our cell phones. Just in case we lose power. So yeah, keep them on the charger all day. Best recommended. So, put my phone and your phone there. Charge them and yeah. And they're charging. And now while Wario's doing dishes, I'll end it off for you. Thank you for watching. If you want to see the next part, then please go to the next video. Make sure you leave a like on this part, because I would appreciate it if you do.